Ever wondered about the secret to the perfect chicken kadhai? This beloved dish from the Indian subcontinent, with its blend of spices and tender chicken, is delight for the senses. Stay tuned as we quickly uncover the steps to creating this divine meal at home. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure to create a masterpiece, the Chicken Kadhai. The essential ingredients we need are hearty bone-in chicken pieces, vibrant spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, red chili powder that adds intricate flavors to our dish. We're also using fresh ingredients like onions, tomatoes, and green bell peppers for texture and freshness. And the final touch, a garnish of fresh coriander leaves for floral hint and bright color. Now with these ingredients all set, let's dive into our chicken kadhai journey. Every delicious meal begins with a well-planned preparation. Today, we're making chicken kadhai, and it all begins with the chicken. Select bone-in chicken pieces for a richer flavor. Wash the chicken thoroughly before you start the marination process. Now let's talk about how to properly marinate the chicken. This step is crucial for flavoring the meat, so take a tablespoon of oil and massage it into the chicken pieces. This will help the spices stick to the chicken. Then, coat your chicken pieces with a mixture of yogurt, turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Make sure every piece is evenly covered. The yogurt softens the chicken and the spices add flavor to every bite. Now, let the chicken marinate. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the kadhai masala. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and dried red chilies. Lightly roast them until they turn a shade darker and release a fragrant aroma. Take care not to burn them, allow the roasted spices to cool and then grind them into a rough powder. This homemade powder, known as kadhai masala, provides our dish with its unique taste. Once the chicken is well marinated, add it to a hot pan with oil and sprinkle the kadhai masala. Sauté it well, allowing the masala to coat all the chicken pieces and seep into the meat. With the chicken marinated and sautéed in kadhai masala, we're halfway to our tasty chicken kadhai. Let's delve into the mastery of cooking chicken kadhai. Fired up with anticipation, we start by preheating the pan to a medium heat and we sauté a carefully chosen blend of spices, fostering a rich aroma that marks the beginning of our gastronomic trip. Cumin seeds play a crucial role in this blend, each adding its unique spark to the flavor. Once the spices release their scent, after around 2 minutes, we add finely chopped onions to the pan. Their sweet undertones offer a distinct contrast to the aromatic spice. Once the onions turn golden brown, which might take around 5 minutes, we proceed with the next step. Garlic and ginger join the ensemble, their robust fragrances bringing depth to the flavor profile. Stir them for a minute or two until they meld with onions and spices. Now, it's time for the star performer, the chicken pieces. As they sizzle and change color to a delightful brown, they become crucial part of this flavor orchestra, promising an explosion of taste. After ensuring that the chicken pieces are seared well, we reduce the heat and allow everything at a gentle pace. This slow cooking process, which can take up to 25-30 minutes, allows the flavors to marry together and the chicken to cook to perfection, crafting a balanced harmony of spiciness, sweetness, and savory delight. Voila! Your perfect chicken kadhai is ready to be. To plate your chicken kadhai, use fluffy basmati rice as a base and add a side of warm naan bread for an appealing presentation. Of fresh coriander will add color and freshness. Now your homemade chicken kadhai is all set to impress.